Introduction. Hey, connect to world buddies. Today, let's lace up our boots and explore the term hike. It's not just a walk in the woods. There's more to this word. Let's trek through the great outdoors. Meaning. So, to hike means to take a long, vigorous walk, often in a natural environment like mountains, forests, or trails. It's a recreational activity that combines physical exercise with the enjoyment of nature. Usage. Imagine planning a weekend hike to a scenic location or discussing the benefits of regular hiking for physical and mental well-being. Examples. Think of hiking up a mountain to catch a breathtaking sunrise or exploring diverse ecosystems during a nature hike. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's haɪk, a term that captures the spirit of adventure and exploration, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hiking gear? It includes essentials like sturdy boots, backpacks, and outdoor clothing for a comfortable and safe hiking experience. Conclusion. If the thought of hike inspires your love for the outdoors, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more adventurous word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.